Hello guys, it's so sad to see what's going around in the Lismore, and I'm giving you live updates from the Lismore, New South Wales, and I'm gonna share some videos and hope you like it. If you like it, enjoy it. Just make sure you subscribe with your family and just hit the thumbs up button as well. And next will be regarding the floods in Sydney. So they have already told the whole town to evacuate as soon as possible in a Bankstown area. So here we go.
In the west shall rise a sinister creed. The rich will get what they want, the poor will lose what they need. The devil knows our fears. He told all his friends they'll block the sun with their